Hello, guys. My name is Ashley Gilmore, and I'm going to tell you guys a bit about post-professional education and more specifically a residency program and one that I am particularly interested in. So first off, residency, what are the pros of it? Why would one do this? Why would someone do extra years of schooling? But honestly, after looking at this and researching it, I'm more for the pro side, and there were a lot more pros than cons. So some of the pros that I found was that it had one-to-one mentoring. So you graduate PT school and you get a job, and you may be the only PT there, and say you do something that think you're doing right, but you're doing wrong, and you would never know because you don't have that mentor, or if you have a question, you can just go to them. So what residency provides that one-to-one mentoring, just because your first year, it's not so much paper patients. So it's actually, you're in the clinic and you have to work through. It's not just something that a professor gave you on a test. So that having that mentor to go to them to answer your questions is just great, and they can tell you if you're doing something wrong and just help be that leader for you. Another pro of residency, it is structured to make you a better PT in your area of interest. So there will be specific things that you'll have to do during your residency just to make you a better PT. And during that, so tips from kind of experienced people higher up with ways they deal with people and patient care. So you're guided through patient care, and your quality of treatment will improve as well. You'll get to know practitioner knowledge in specialty and subspecialty areas through best practices. So off of the American Board of Physical Therapy Residency and Fellowship Education website, they gave a list of programs that are accredited, or interests that have programs that are accredited. And so when I saw this list, I immediately just went to sports because I know that's kind of what I want to do. So I'm interested in working with athletes, and so I went in and just looked through all the sports programs, and I narrowed it down to places that I would want to go, and the ones that kind of fit what I would want out of residency. And I actually found one that's located in Phoenix, Arizona. It's called Foothills Sports Medicine Residency Program. It's a full year, and you get 36 hours a week of in-clinic experience. Just like I said at the beginning, of a pro, you get that one-on-one mentor to work with you, and it's in an advanced clinical practice setting. So what it will do is I'll specialize in orthopedics. So at the end, they actually had 100% pass rate on their orthopedic certification. So that's awesome. I wouldn't want to have to take that twice. But so coming out of PT school, generally I'll be a good physical therapist, but with this residency, they said that it'll able me to specialize in a shorter amount of time. So yes, I'll go out in the workforce if I don't do my residency, and I will experience those athletes, but maybe not so much in that short, like on a 1 year time frame. Like maybe 5 years, I'll finally get those skills because I've had 5 years of experience of working with them. Whereas if I do this residency program, that full year, I'll be seeing these athletes and more like every day. So obviously with more experience, I'll develop those skills a lot faster than it would take me if I were to just go out into the workforce. Another thing that I love seeing is that it was a lot of hands-on learning. So you do work with patients while you're in this residency, and they said that they provide feedback for their students, and that they have certain labs every few months to kind of brush up on those skills that you may have forgotten about. But overall, their website was amazing and had a lot of information, and they want people to come and do that. And they have a person who actually works in the MLB that was a student there. So it's just obviously a successful program too. So I know that if I were to apply for that and get in, that I would have people that are higher up that can teach me a lot of things. So, but that is all. So thank you for learning more about what I'm interested in, and learning more about what a residency can do for you. I'm excited that I got to do this project. How it's going to help out the community is just, it kind of helps out. Residencies make you a better PT, and just, you're going to get so much knowledge from that feedback. And so community wise, you're going to help wherever you work. If you do residency, you're going to help out that community immensely just by becoming a better therapist in a short time. Then maybe, yeah, you can become a better PT in the long run, but overall, your community is going to be very thankful for you. And just like in Arizona, it's a lot of hiking out there, and you got a lot of active people out there. So I'm sure this residency program will help me become one with the community and just take me in right away. So thank you. And I actually got all my information from the American Board of Physical Therapy Education, Residency, and Fellowship. And then I also got Foothills information right from their website. So thank you.